This is how to add the 3D tracking text effect in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline. The first thing you need to do is to come over to the Fusion tab over here. Next, hold down Ctrl and space and search for Camera Tracker and select Add. Next, come over here and select Preview Auto Track Locations and select Bidirectional Tracking and change Detection Threshold to 2.25 and select Auto Track over here. And wait for Davinci Resolve to automatically track your clip. When complete, go over to Solve over here, select Solve, and change Maximum Track Error to 0.11 and click Solve. Once complete, select Export over here and select 3D Scene Transform. Select Unaligned over here and align the position where you would like to track your text. And come over to Set From Selection over here and select it and select Aligned Back and click Export. And these 3 notes will appear over here. Highlight the first 3 notes over here and drag them forward like this. And delete the ground plane and delete the point cloud. And select the camera tracker and drag it down this way. And deselect media out. And deselect camera tracker from median 1. And select the camera tracker up here and connect it to median 1 over here. And select this merge 1 over here and add it to median 1. Now select the text 3D over here and type in a text. And select this text 3D over here and connect it to merge 3D 1 over here. And if I go back and hit play, you can see what we've created. And that's it, guys, on how to add the 3D tracking text in Davinci Resolve.